Welcome to this informational video on the proper procedure for dumping an end-dump trailer behind a semi-truck. Whether you are new to hauling or just in need of a refresher, following the right steps is essential for safety, efficiency, and protecting your equipment. Step 1. Positioning. Always back into the dump site slowly and carefully, making sure that the ground is level and firm. Avoid soft, uneven, or sloped surfaces. These can cause tipping during the dump. Next, we will address the tarp and bows covering the load. The tarp handle is a two-piece swing handle system. To remain safe, securely hold with both hands, knowing that it can possibly swing unexpected due to the weight of the tarp. Ensure that the tarp is rolled properly and the handle secured to avoid damage. The bows also need to be swung away during the loading process to avoid damage to equipment. During this time, ensure that all pedestrians and other workers remain at least 50 feet away from the trailer. The dumping process poses serious risk from shifting loads, tipping, or mechanical failure. Maintaining a safe perimeter is essential. Also remember, when unloading the trailer, the tarp is always in the open position. Before the dumping process begins, remove the mud flaps and securely attach them to the side of the trailer. This prevents them from being caught or damaged by the ground as the trailer lifts. It's also important to inspect the ground in front of the tires. Check at least 12 foot in front of the tires to ensure there are no obstructions that could interfere with the lift or cause the trailer to become unstable. Also confirm that the ground is level to avoid potential tipping during the dumping process. Before returning to the cab, apply the lift function on the forward set of trailer tires by using the valve on the side to dump airbags and the switch to unlatch the tailgate. This reduces damage to the bags during the dump and helps ensure smoother trailer articulation as the bed rises. Next, perform a walk-around inspection. Check for overhead obstructions like power lines or tree limbs. Make sure your trailer tailgate is unlocked and clear of any blockages. Confirm that your area is free of personnel and equipment. For finer material, or to add more control during unloading, we have a grain gate option. The grain gate allows for additional control of the flow, which is especially useful when dumping material like grain, small sand, fertilizer, or other fine material that needs a more controlled release. Use the dump truck style tailgate or high lift gate for material like gravel, sand, or topsoil. It allows controlled flow and helps prevent spillage during the initial lift. Always confirm the appropriate method before dumping. With everything clear, it's time to raise the bed, engage the PTO, and slowly begin lifting the trailer. Watch your mirrors carefully and listen for any unusual noises. A slow, steady lift helps keep the load balanced. As the bed rises, the load will begin to slide out. Never exit the cab during this process. Stay alert and be prepared to stop if the trailer begins to lean or if material doesn't flow out evenly. As the trailer lifts, observe the forward axles on the trailer. Both tires should leave the ground at the same time. This is a key indicator that the trailer is lifting evenly and not twisting or leaning. Once the load has slid to the back of the trailer, set the truck brakes and release the trailer brakes. This allows the product to continue to slide out as the trailer pulls to the truck for the remainder of the lift. Once the load is fully emptied, lower the bed slowly and completely. Never drive with the bed raised. Make sure the bed settles securely on the frame before disengaging the PTO. After lowering the bed, it's important to sweep out and clean the trailer. As you can see in the video, the ladder folds down for easier access to the bed. Remember to follow a 3-point of contact approach when entering and leaving the bed. Residual material can shift during transport and create a safety hazard. Cleaning also prevents cross-contamination between loads, which is especially important when hauling different material. Depending on the material you're hauling, choose the correct tailgate configuration. Use the barn door style, which swings fully open, for large, bulky, or sticky material that doesn't flow easy. Examples include mulch, scrap metal, electric motors, and other similar materials. The barn door style prevents jams and ensures a complete dump. Before releasing the hinge pins, install the barn door safety pin to hold the gate securely open. This prevents the gate from swinging freely and potentially causing damage or injury. Be mindful that improper smashing the gate into material can cause damage, such as bending the pins at the top of the gate. This occurs when the gate is forced into the load, springing it open and potentially misaligning the hinges. After dumping and once the gate is closed and latched, be sure to remove the pin. Leaving it in place while dumping the traditional method can cause serious damage to the trailer. Exit the cab and perform a final inspection. Lock the tailgate if needed, check for any remaining material, and inspect the trailer and tires for any signs of damage. And that's it. By following these steps, you help ensure a safe and successful dump every time. Remember, taking a few extra minutes to follow proper procedure can prevent accidents and equipment damage. Stay safe out there.